Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel OKT1 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open Gmail application, and after that just tap here on this icon. Now we can see that we are logged in into two accounts, and now I'll show you how to log out from one from these accounts. To log out from Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account in our device. So how we can do that? Just first click here to manage accounts on this device, and we will launch the Google account settings. After that, for example, let's just select the first account to log out, click here and tap to remove account. After that, tap to remove account again, wait a second. And now here we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. So let's just go back to the application, and here in our we can see also that we stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.